Before we start our assessment program, please fill out the assessment guide which will be connected with assessment orientation begun. Good morning everyone. Alright, my name is Ronald A. Gatongong Jr. I'll be your accredited competencies assessor for electronics product assembly and servicing, or EPAS kung tawagin. I would like to acknowledge the presence of Mr. Steven Pumarada for representative and the COC manager, Kenneth Don. You don't have to worry about their presence. They are here to oversee the conduct of competency assessment and to check if the conduct is in accordance with the prescribed competency assessment methodology procedures. They will not assess you, so you don't worry about them. Before I start, let me check your attendance today. Please present to me your admission slip once your name is called. Mr. Desmart Galosino. Anilong Pilas. I have reviewed your accomplished self-assessment guide. This is an integration that you know and can perform all the units of competency enumerated in this qualification. Today I am going to administer competency assessment for electronics product assembly and servicing. It is the qualification level with CPLM. Let's start the purpose of reminders in our assessment. The purpose of this assessment is to check if you can perform this task based on test standards. This assessment will help confirm if you are competent and ready to receive the national certificate. Everything you will do today will be based on the competency standard and evidence requirements to make sure your performance meets industry expectations. A person must be achieved this qualification is competent to be an electronic products assembler, audio video service technician, industrial electronic technician. The unit of competency include basic, common, and core units. The core units focus on preparing tools, testing electronic circuits, performing soldering, diagnosing faults, and doing the actual repair or servicing. Specific instruction during assessment. For assemble electronic products, determine, analyze, and record clients' details and profile. Record review all information of the individual. Tool requirements per enterprise procedures. Match requested destination activities with client requirements. For service consumer electronic products system, determined to third utilitarian destination and duration are based on the client's requirements. Graph skeletal itinerary based on the client's requirements, identifying the range and arrange tour components and services in chronological order. For service industrial electronic modules, products, and systems, analyze two components determine increased variable costs, review contracted rates or elected suppliers to determine terms, condition, and validity. Calculate two components cost based on the extracted rates of suppliers and type of cost on a per person basis. I will now distribute competency assessment. The evidence requirements, you must show proof that you can procedures, you will first listen to the rotation, decide the agreement work, and after that you will receive the test package. You will perform the task while I observe using a checklist. You will also do some questioning to confirm your knowledge. For the rules, please avoid talking to others. No cheating is allowed. And follow the instructions step by step. For safety reminders, always wear proper PPE, handle tools carefully, avoid short circuits, and keep your area clean and organized all the times. So this is the forefront for our assessment. This is the candidate worksheet, assessment area, assessment observation area, candidate workshop, and material area. So now I will now distribute the assessment agreement sheet or CAAS. Please read the instruction carefully and answer all the questions outlined in the document. If you need assistance, I'll be more than happy to assist you. So, Mr. Student, you may now start the assessment. So, Mr. Nagastilla, you performed the task within the standard requirements of the qualification. Congratulations. You can go. And Mr. Vinyas, I am sorry you were not able to perform within the standard requirements of the qualification. You have to review or practice the activities related to the confidential requirements of the qualification forward. You may come after for reassessment, or when you feel confident enough that you have acquired the confidence. Don't worry.